Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mobile printer stands that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to maximize your workspace, improve organization, or simply find the perfect printer stand for your home or office, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the TUTATAC 2-tier printer stand. This stand combines simplicity with practicality, offering a clean, white design that integrates well into modern office or home setups. It features 2 tiers, providing a spacious top for your printer and a bottom shelf for additional storage. The compact dimensions of 15.7 by 11.8 by 15.4 inches make it a great under-desk option, saving you valuable workspace. One standout feature here is mobility. The rolling wheels allow you to easily move the stand wherever you need it, and the 2 lockable wheels ensure stability when you want it to stay in place. It's also built with MDF material that offers decent durability for its size. However, the load capacity might not be sufficient for heavy-duty printers, so it's better suited for smaller inkjet models or light office equipment. While the minimal design and mobility are great, this stand lacks some of the advanced features of higher-ranked options, like built-in power outlets. Nonetheless, it's an ideal, affordable pick for those who need a basic, no-frills printer table. Pros include its lightweight design, portability, and ease of assembly. On the downside, it's not as sturdy as other options on this list, and its storage capacity is limited. Coming in at number 3 is the Mahancris 3-tier industrial printer cart. If you're looking for a printer stand that combines functionality with power access, this one has you covered. Its standout feature is the built-in charging station, which includes 2 standard outlets and 2 USB ports, making it incredibly convenient for powering your printer and other office devices. This stand measures 20.5 by 15.7 by 32.1 inches and offers 3 tiers of storage, giving you ample space for not just your printer, but also paper, office supplies, or even kitchen appliances. A sturdy particle board and metal construction ensure that it can handle up to 44 pounds per shelf. Additionally, the 360-degree swivel wheels make it easy to move around with 2 lockable wheels for added stability. This cart is versatile and multifunctional, suitable for offices, kitchens, and more. Pros include its built-in power outlets, large storage capacity, and sturdy build. However, it is slightly bulkier compared to other options, making it less ideal for small spaces. Overall, it's a great choice for those who want extra storage and power access in one convenient unit. At number 2, we have the Huanuo printer stand. This product strikes an excellent balance between compactness and storage, making it ideal for under-desk use. Measuring 17.1 x 13.2 x 13.2 inches, the Huanuo stand is perfect for small spaces, while still offering plenty of room for your printer, paper, and office supplies. One of the standout features is the storage drawer with dividers, which helps keep smaller items like pens, paper clips, and cartridges organized. The locking caster wheels make it easy to move around, while its sturdy plastic build ensures durability. However, it's worth noting that the weight capacity is limited to 38.5 pounds, so it's not ideal for heavy-duty printers. This printer stand is perfect for those who value organization and portability. Pros include its compact design, built-in cable management, and easy mobility. On the downside, it's less durable than metal options and has a lower load capacity. Still, it's a fantastic choice for home offices or anyone needing a lightweight, portable solution. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Visagal printer stand. This 2-tier mobile stand combines industrial aesthetics with practicality, offering a rustic brown and black finish that blends seamlessly into any workspace. With dimensions of 19.1 by 15.9 by 15.6 inches, it fits perfectly under most desks while providing ample storage for your printer and office supplies. The standout feature here is its heavy-duty design. Made from quality particle board and a sturdy steel frame, this stand can support up to 99 pounds on the top shelf, making it the most robust option on this list. It also features a drawer for additional storage and locking wheels for stability. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the clear instructions and included Allen key. This stand is ideal for those who want durability, style, and functionality all in one. Pros include its high weight capacity, attractive design, and smooth mobility. The only downside is that it's slightly heavier than some other options, but that's a trade-off for its sturdiness. All in all, the Vosagal printer stand offers the best value for its price and is a must-have for any office setup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.